So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix if you're getting sound issue in the FIFA mobile, or if there is no sound or you're not getting any sound from the FIFA mobile or FC mobile. Now, the first thing you need to do, go to simply setting, and some users like ignore this step, but make sure that you go to settings, select audio, and make sure that everything is enabled. So if you have disabled anything, then you may not hear the sound, or you may face the issue in the sound. So you need to make sure that everything, the slider is set to high. Once you confirm that, if you're still face the issue, then in some case, some user like set your device into the silent mode, and it also causes this type of issue as well. So what you need to do, if your device in the silent mode, then you need to simply switch off or turn off the silent mode, and then try again and check it, the issue will be fixed. Also, make sure if you are on iOS, then in iOS you need to simply go to the setting, and so I am on Android, but if you are on the iOS, you need to go to setting, and in your setting, you need to simply make sure to like turn off the voice recognition. So in iOS, if the voice recognition option is turned on, you need to make sure to simply turn off that option, and then try again and check it whether the issue is fixed or not. Also, simply go to the accessibility, and in accessibility, you need to simply like mess around with the audio settings, and which will be voice access, and also the audio settings. So you need to make sure to change this audio setting or turn it on, or off. Well, this different type of setting that you can do with the audio adjustment. So you need to change or adjust with that audio setting, and then go back to the game and check it whether the audio issue is resolved or not. So this is how you can fix it. Hope this will help you. And if you have any other question or comment below, make sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.